Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to log out ALIPAY account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your ALIPAY app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your ALIPAY app, next thing you need to do is to click on accounts right here at the bottom side right here. Click on account. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top. It's secure right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and at the bottom right here you have logout button. So simply click on that and your account will be logged out. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply log out ALIPAY account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.